really know what I'm going to say up here. But Dr. Shell, you have inspired not only me, but so many people. And through every life you come through, there's just such hope, such light that you bring to everyone's lives. And the way you are family to everyone that you come across and treat each and every one of us as loved individuals. You are an amazing teacher. You are an amazing person. You are an amazing friend. And we love you very much. And I can't thank you enough for everything that you've done for me personally. You were family to me, and still are family to me. And I honestly wouldn't have been able to get as far as I have so far